In India, work-life balance is totally an alien concept.
He said कि वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस क्या होता है, मतलब दिस इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल सेइंग 90 आवर वर्क वीक करो, संडे को भी काम करो, तो इसमें क्या गलत है, इतना क्या हल्ला मचाना है इसमें?
I think in other countries, there is a clear demarcation between life and work. काम के वक्त काम and आराम के वक्त आराम. So, work-life balance, a very popular topic these days.
हाँ यार, हर तरफ बज़ है इसका. Irrespective of how it sounds, everyone is giving their 2 cents. आज ना हम भी देंगे.
Yeah.
This issue is causing so much debate.
Yeah.
But why do you think that is?
I think it's kind of sad, to be honest. Because in India, work-life balance is totally an alien concept. They don't know the meaning of it, work-life balance. And they think that work is life and life is work. उसमें बैलेंस क्या करना है? एंड आधी पॉपुलेशन यही सोच के चलती रहती है. सो इफ़ यू लाइक मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस इज, they somewhat get scared, because if you know it is basically human nature to be scared when they hear one alien concept.
This is the very true thing. I'll give you an example. My father only, and we were like watching the news that day, and he said कि वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस क्या होता है, मतलब दिस इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल सेइंग 90 आवर वर्क वीक करो, संडे को भी काम करो. हाँ, तो इसमें क्या गलत है, इतना क्या हल्ला मचाना है इसमें? 10-12 घंटे काम करो, खाना घर आओ, खाना खाओ, सो जाओ, फिर से रिपीट. हाँ, तो लाइफ ऐसी ही होती है ना, तो इसमें मतलब ये नहीं करोगे तो आगे कैसे बढ़ पाओगे? ऑनेस्टली आई वाज शॉक्ड, बट देन आई रियलाइज्ड कि जो मतलब हमारे देश की आधी पॉपुलेशन ऐसी ही सोचती है.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ, वरना ये मतलब क्या है ना, डिबेट ही होता नहीं है, मतलब दे वुड हैव ऑल एक्सेप्टेड इट. दिस इज अ ग्राउंड फॉर डिबेट बिकॉज दिस इज हाउ एंटायर कंट्री थिंक्स.
Yeah, that's true. And I think in other countries, there is a clear demarcation between life and work. काम के वक्त काम and आराम के वक्त आराम. And basically, I don't understand why this concept is so difficult to understand here.
That's what I asked my father. I asked him when was the last time he sat down to read a book. He loves to read, or he went out with his friends, for a movie. He had no answer.
Yeah.
And for the sake of this podcast, I asked other people. So I got 2 answers.
Right.
Those who were like older than us gave the same answer as my father. But those who were our age,
okay,
they were very adamant about having a good work-life balance, having a good work culture in the office.
Yeah.
I think there is a generational shift that is happening in our country.
True. Yeah.
Do you think there is a generational shift is happening?
That's a very good question. And yes, generational shift तो हो रहा है. The priorities हमारे parents के थे is काफ़ी different from ours. That is where the demand for work-life balance and good work culture has come from.
But why do you think that is? मतलब ऐसे कौन से differences है between our generation and our parents' generation when it comes to work?
Yeah, again, another good question. So, let us see our parents' generation. उनके लिए job security, financial stability was everything. Like everything. क्यों? I think because they were raised that way. And they were raised to feel like, if you sacrifice everything, that we're being glorified. And feeling servitude is a good thing for them. And thanks to colonialism.
Okay, so the point you just made about colonialism,
Yeah.
I think that's a point majority of the people overlook.
Yeah.
They forget how colonialism has shaped our work culture.
Exactly. So because of this upbringing, उन्हें लगता है कि तुम अपनी कंपनी के लिए तुम जितना टाइम दो, कंपनी तुमको उतना ही वैल्यू करेगा. नो मैटर हाउ मच टाइम यू स्पेंड, चाहे वो 10-12 घंटे ही क्यों ना हो. ऑल्सो द लैक ऑफ इंडिविजुअलिज्म. इंडिविजुअलिज्म इज़ अ फेयरली न्यू कंसेप्ट फॉर देम. उनके लिए काम एंड सर्विंग फॉर द सोसाइटी वॉज अबव एवरीथिंग. खुद के लिए काम मत ही करो. सर्व द सोसाइटी वॉज लाइक फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी.
Yeah, so for them, long hours, job loyalty, personal sacrifices were the most necessary things when it comes to career growth and job retention.
100% true. अभी Gen Z millennials को ही देख लो. Like look at us. We have seen our parents doing sacrifices for work, society, and do nothing for themselves. We saw them getting burned out. and having no life outside of work and ruining their mental health. So this new demand for work-life balance is like a revenge for our parents' generation. Gen Z and millennials को समझ आ गया कि mental health, physical health को ignore नहीं करना है. Having no life outside of work is not something to be proud of. Our generations have learned that they can live a wholesome life without sacrificing all of the above.
देखने जाओ तो हम लोग वी आर आस्किंग द मोस्ट बेसिक थिंग्स,
Yeah,
बट इन लोगों के हिसाब से हम लोग पता नहीं कौन सा पहाड़ मांग रहे हैं.
absolutely true. So we address the generational gap issue. What are the other things you think are at play when it comes to work-life balance in our country?
That's a big question.
Yeah.
And I think you already addressed one point, the colonialism point.
Yeah.
It's been 77 years and the colonial mindset is still there. We can see it in an everyday basis.
Yeah.
वो hierarchy ना अभी भी है. And almost it's a funny thing that almost every country functioning in India, especially the foreign countries set up in India, they think they are the East India Company.
Yeah.
हाँ, उनको
true.
मतलब अपने इंडियन एम्प्लॉयज से डॉग लाइक लॉयल्टी चाहिए. हाँ, एंड दे वांट देयर एम्प्लॉयज टू वर्क फॉर देम डे इन एंड आउट एंड रिटर्न कुछ नहीं देंगे, नथिंग. एंड यू कैन नॉट इवन question their behavior because they know for a fact that in India labor is very cheap and you are extremely replaceable.
बहन इतना सच तो नहीं बोलना था.
अभी और सच है, सुनो. कंपनीज को ना ये वाला माइंडसेट चेंज नहीं करना है. क्यों करे? इतने सालों से उनको ये फायदा जो हो रहा है.
Right.
They have built a system where work is all we think about.
हाँ.
2-3 घंटे कम्यूट करो, हाँ 9 घंटे काम करो, फिर ओवर टाइम करो जस्ट टू शो वी आर हार्ड वर्किंग.
Yeah.
हाँ, मतलब वो पहले के 9 घंटे काफ़ी नहीं थे. फिर से पीक आवर्स में यू ट्रैवल, घर जाओ ट्रैवल करो.
हाँ.
फिर उसके बाद भी मैनेजर फ़ोन करेगा कि ये ईमेल चेक कर दो, वो ईमेल चेक कर दो, ये सेंड कर दो. मतलब क्या है ना, किसी और चीज़ के लिए टाइम ही मत दो इन्हें. हाँ, डू नॉट let them have dreams.
True.
Or even the means to fulfill their dreams.
हाँ.
That is the motto for actually every company.
ये जो हम बात कर रहे हैं वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस की एंड ऑल द आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हैपनिंग इन द सोशल मीडिया ऑफ नॉट वांटिंग टू वर्क फॉर 90 hours
Yeah.
a day. So everything is on a point of a patriarchy, nahi? Like in all my years of existence, I have never seen a relaxed woman. A woman doing nothing. Like even if she's doing for herself. What do you think?
वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस मिथ हो ना हो, ये जो रिलैक्स्ड वुमेन है ना, दैट इज़ अ मिथ. दैट कॉन्सेप्ट इज़ अ मिथ. एज अ वुमेन टेल मी, कभी बैठते हम लोग शांति से?
कभी
खाली
नहीं.
दिमाग कभी बैठा है?
My God, true.
वी आर ऑलवेज थिंकिंग अबाउट समथिंग. इधर ऑफिस का काम, घर का काम, कम्यूट करे तो सेफ्टी का सोचना
issue.
पड़ता है.
हाँ.
एवरी टाइम वी आर थिंकिंग अबाउट समथिंग और द अदर. मतलब 9 घंटे काम करने के बाद भी वी गो बैक होम एंड वहाँ घर का काम होता है. एंड द सैड थिंग इज घर के काम को कोई काम कंसिडर ही नहीं करता.
True.
मतलब दे थिंक खाना अपने आप बनता है, घर अपने आप साफ होता है, कपड़े अपने आप धुल जाते हैं.
Yeah.
या एंड गॉड फॉरबिड यू हैव किड्स.
Oh my God. Raising kids is a full-time job. And I think it's the most sensitive, thankless and difficult job ever.
एग्जैक्टली. मतलब अगर वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस का कॉन्सेप्ट इंडिया में आ भी गया ना, एक्सेप्ट हो भी गया, इट विल टेक अनदर 50 years फॉर वुमेन टू एक्चुअली अडेप्ट टू दैट कॉन्सेप्ट.
True.
I'm not saying men do not contribute. They do. Nowadays they have been doing. ये concept rapidly spread हो रहा है. Men have realized that cooking, cleaning, these are all skills that every adult human being should have. It's not gender specific.
Yeah, and most people don't even realize that housework is a work. And I think it's the most difficult work. And then they don't even get paid or lives for it. Imagine.
Exactly. I also think women are at fault here. We have unfortunately, raised a generation of women that wants to be the superhero. उनको सब कुछ करना है without help, asking for help, without getting sick, without complaints. Work 10 hours, raise kids, commute, cook, clean, सब कुछ without help. They think if they do not play all these roles perfectly, they will be less of a woman, which is so not true.
Yeah, I have a friend's sister. I'll tell you a story. She works as an accountant in an MNC, okay? So daily she travels 2 hours, works for another 9-10 hours. So she reaches home by around say 9-10. And immediately after reaching home, she starts preparing dinner without taking a break. And she has a son. Simultaneously, she helps her son also doing his homework. So रात को 11 बजे डिनर कर लेती है. And doing like household का work करके she sleeps around 3 o'clock. And then again she wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning, like अपने बेटा को ready करते हैं to go to school. And again she commutes to office. So imagine she does this for 6 days a week, and then she feels that she's not doing enough. She thinks that this is not enough that she's doing. She thinks she needs to do it more.
And let me guess, people still think that she only works for 10 hours and बाकी मतलब she's free बाकी के time.
Yeah, people still ask her like why she doesn't go out for movies or drinks. And this is not her story. This is like half of the population का यही story है, every woman का. So when top business leaders say कि work life balance कुछ नहीं होता है, weekends में भी काम करना चाहिए, I think it's an insult.
Insult ही तो है ना. ये तो आम आदमी की इंसल्ट है. इंडिया ऑलरेडी हैज अ यस सर नो सर वाला एटीट्यूड प्रॉब्लम. ऊपर से लेबर इन इंडिया इज सो चीप. पॉपुलेशन तो मतलब मजाक ही है. अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट स्टैट्स आर ब्रेकिंग रिकॉर्ड्स. वी क्रॉस चाइना ऑल्सो. And on top of that, as if these things were not enough, we do not have proper laws or legislation that protects private employees, that protects corporate employees. Do not, and I want everyone to know this, do not for 1 second think that all these foreign companies, European, American companies setting up shop in India are doing so to develop the country. They are not. They know that labor in India is so cheap and laws नहीं है, तो इनको exploit करना ज़्यादा आसान होगा.
Look at Australia and Italy. They have legal provisions to sue their employers if they reach out to them after work hours. Do you think it will be ever possible here? Yeah, your boss will get angry if you're not available for an online meeting at 10 p.m. Even if your work ends at 6 p.m.
The sad part is people will attend those online meetings at 10 p.m. Weekends पे ऑफिस चले जाएंगे, 2 घंटे के काम को 9 घंटा खींचेंगे. There are millions of employees that don't want to be efficient or work smart. उनको फालतू में काम करना है, मतलब फालतू में हार्ड वर्क करना है, काम को खींचना है just to show कि कितना काम किया. The quality of work is least of their worries.
That is exactly the problem. You said that we will never see any legal provision for corporate employees here. And even if we have, लोग खुद ही apply नहीं करेंगे. Why do you think that is?
I'll explain through an example. In my previous office, there were 2 guys on my team. हाँ, 2-3 घंटे के काम को 9-10 घंटा खींचते थे. Everyone on my team would leave at 6.
Okay.
ठीक है, except these 2. 9 बजे तक बैठे रहते थे ऑफिस में, वही काम करते रहते थे. Sometimes I would ask them कि weekends पे क्या किया. They said कि घर ऑफिस का काम किया. Mind you, हाँ, we had the exact amount of work. पता नहीं कौन सा काम रहता था उनको. फिर मुझे ना धीरे धीरे रियलाइज हुआ कि ऑफिस के बाहर इनकी कोई लाइफ ही नहीं है. नो हॉबीज, नो एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज. कभी मतलब एफर्ट ही नहीं डाली होगी टू बिल्ड अ लाइफ आउटसाइड ऑफ वर्क, टू हैव समथिंग टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू आफ्टर वर्क. दिस इज द केस फॉर मोस्ट इंडियन एम्प्लॉयज. सिर्फ वीकेंड्स पे जीते हैं एंड ऑफिस आना जाना इज लाइक आवर डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग. ठीक है ना, उससे बाहर कुछ नहीं है. आई फील सैड फॉर देम, बट द थिंग इज I would say the sadder thing is, I am becoming like them slowly. Okay. I've realized. So sometimes I have to like slap myself, take myself on a walk. I love baking. तो कभी कुछ bake कर लेती हूँ. Go to the gym, plan movie marathons with my friends, so that work is not the only thing I have.
Yeah, from what I have understood, this is a cycle. Companies will make us work for 9 to 10 hours. Again, you'll have another 3 hours to commute from home to office. Additionally, घर का काम तो होते ही है. So they'll make sure that we don't develop any hobbies or interest outside of work. And I think since we don't have any hobbies or interests outside of work, we look forward to coming to office. And that's how we want to deal with to be social and avoid loneliness. इसी cycle में हम फंस रहे हैं.
You said about this cycle that all of us we are in. How do you break this cycle?
It's a difficult question, but it is easier said than done. But I'll tell you, because मैं खुद इस साइकिल से बाहर आई हूँ. I used to work in a very toxic and high demanding office. सुबह 8 बजे ऑफिस जाना है, उसके बाद मीटिंग अटेंड करना है, बिकॉज माई मैनेजर फेल्ट सो कि वी हैव टू डू द फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट इज अटेंड द मीटिंग. हैव स्टेड इन ऑफिस टिल 9-10 PM with no safe way of going home. Worked on weekends, had unrealistic deadlines. I survived this for 2.5 years, and finally, when I was able to save up a little money, I decided to quit. I suddenly looked for jobs where the work culture was relaxed and a good balance was maintained.
Okay, that's a great thing, but I want to know how you did that.
When I applied for jobs, I would go to employee review sites like Quora, Reddit, and I looked for companies where they had good work culture or good work-life balance. And also I focused on life outside of work. मुझे ड्राइविंग करना बहुत पसंद है, so I do that very frequently. And other than that, I also love exploring new places to eat, and I do that like not very often, but after work I go out exploring new cafes in town. And other than that, I also do a meal preparation every Sunday, so that my whole week goes in a very relaxed way. मुझे हीरो बनने का कोई शौक नहीं था, so I hired a house help to help in my household chores. It makes my life more livable. What about you? कैसे कर लेती हो work life balance?
Okay, so for me work life balance is not basing my entire personality around my job. Personality के बहुत elements होते हैं, but some people make their jobs their entire personality. There is no boundary between the two. A few things that I do is I love going for walks in the morning. ठीक है ना? And I, like I said before, I love baking. So sometimes I experiment with recipes. And I also don't keep social media apps on my phone.
Okay.
Just for my mental health sake.
Yeah, we had a talk about this. Yeah.
I compare myself a lot and all that.
Yeah.
And one more thing I do is I go to the gym for 2 reasons. First is investing in health is like the best investment. And the second reason is I get to socialize there. So क्या होता है ना, when I go and socialize outside, I realize that my work is not everything. I'm something outside my work as well.
Yeah.
I'm talking to different people.
Right.
So that these are the things, something I do to make my work, how do I say, to create a work-life balance. I would suggest the audience to join communities, go out. If not, stay घर पे रह के you watch movies, paint, cook, read. Create a hobby even if you're not good at it. अपने मजनू भाई को ही देख लो. He was so bad at painting.
Yeah.
लेकिन क्या confidence है, he would paint. He would send it out for exhibition as well.
True.
Remember the scenes.
Yeah. मतलब जिस लाइफ को एफोर्ड करने के लिए काम कर रहे हो, live that life na.
Exactly.
Don't make work your life, because it will not treat you the same way.
अभी जो तुमने बोला, do not make your work your entire life.
Yeah.
It will not treat you the same way.
Never.
Someone should put that on mugs, t-shirts, posters.
True.
ताकि लोगों को कुछ समझ आए, ताकि वो कंपनी के bosses को कुछ समझ आए.
Keep on reminding, no? Reality
Exactly.
check that you have your own life as well.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that's a wrap. This was the Corporate Mazdoor Show with Vantage Lens, doing a postmortem on work-life balance. Hoping you guys have understood the importance of having a life outside of work. If you've enjoyed today's episode, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.
We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences about work-life balance. Let us know how you balance life and work in the comment section below. Until then, keep your chin up and work smart.